Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa. Hello, hello, hello. Working on our Couture, and it's going to be a Christmas project this time. We're working on the mini holiday icons. I've already opened it and started playing with it, and then I said, well, wait a minute now. I have to show you how to play with it so that you can see how easy Couture is. And I've already cut out some items here, and what I did too is at the back, I already, with a marker, put and wrote down the backs of what they are, of what the stencils are in front. So I'll work on that and cut this up a little bit more later. But in the meantime, let me show you what I want to play with. I was thinking of playing with the snowflake. It is so cute. And also we're going to be using Couture's Choco Ball chips. And like I told you earlier, I played with it already. So I used the Dove and I used the green, or let me reach over and show you which one it is. It is the garden herb that I use for the olive branch. That's so cute. So this Choco Ball chips don't come with a hole. So what you can do is drill a hole on them if you want to put them on your tree. So before we move on, and like I said, I want to use this to show you how we work with the Couture. And the first thing we're going to do is obviously open the paste, and you want the paste and mix it up before you use it. Mix it up, and you want the paste to be a yogurt consistency. And I'm actually happy with this chalk's consistency. I already pre-mixed it. I am using a Couture multi-tool. One end is curved this way so that when you mix, it goes underneath the jar this way, and you can mix the chalk paste better than you would have if you had used a regular stick or the end of this. Speaking of end of the multi-tool, the multi-tool's other end is a squeegee. It's a smaller squeegee. This is our regular size squeegee, and we also have a 4-inch squeegee for bigger surfaces. But in this case, if you want to work with a smaller surface, like I had worked here to put on the paste for the olive branch, I used the multi-tools squeegee end, if you will. So you will also find here that I have a towel, and I also have, this is a smaller water bath that I have here, so that you could, after you use the transfer, you could go ahead and put the transfer face down with the sticky side up onto the water so that it won't, the chalk won't get dried on the transfer, because once it gets dried on the transfer, it could harm the transfer, and you want the transfer to work for you for a while. Actually, the company had said that it has about, you can reuse it for between 8 to 12 uses, but I've heard from other designers that they have used theirs for more than that. So we have the towel here. If this was very new, like this ones that I haven't cut yet, the tackiness of the vinyl is tacky enough that it could stick to the surface that we're working on. So what we do is fuzz it so that it won't be too tacky, but at the same time tacky enough so that when you place the snowflake on, or the transfer on your surface, it won't, it would still be tacky enough, but you know, as you rub the image on, it won't have any bubbles on it. So there you go, guys. I'm going to go ahead and use some of the stuff that I've already, or the paste that I already have on the multi-tool. And really, guys, you saw how much I put on there. That's a lot. So you will see I'm using my regular squeegee here. I will just spread the paste, making sure that I will not have any streaks or lines on our transfer, because the lines that is created, you see this line over here, that will show through on your transfer or on your image when you lift the transfer later. But so we're going to work this and spread the paste really well and scrape it. And like I told you guys, the paste will go a long way. It's like, even I was surprised the first time I used it. I'm like, oh my God, I could use the paste for a while. And speaking of paste, the paste, the shelf life of the paste is up to a year, unopened. But once you opened it, the shelf life, according to the company, is only 6 months. So I'm trying to clean up and scrape all the excess here right now. And then we'll scrape the rest onto the jar. And I'm going to put this in the water bath in revelation time, guys. Oops. So I made a mistake. I didn't see that little heart at the point over there. I'm going to go back while I still can. Use a little bit of what's in here. And then try to scrape it off. Make sure that I got everything. And then easy project, guys. Look at that. You can go back to this one here. You see it's kind of faint. You can go back to that. You just reposition your transfer. But if you're happy with this, all you have to do is, like I had mentioned earlier, put this transfer face down with the sticky up. And I have some mess up over there. I don't know if you see that. I do have some mess up over there. I went over the transfer, and that's easy to fix. I just get my baby wipe here, rub it off, and there you go. Here's our ornament, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Very easy, very fast. If you haven't subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button, and when you do, please click on the bell button to be notified of new uploads twice a week. I try to upload every Mondays and Thursdays. So yeah, that's it, guys. I'll catch you guys later. And by the way, all my information on Couture and Kiwi Lane are in the description below. See you later. Bye.